Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. My name is Maria. So today I am going to show you how to make some macaroons. I am going to be using foam clay, and this is the cookie cutter that I'm choosing to use to make my macaroon. These are also some of the items that I'll be using in this video. So if you saw one of my previous videos where I showed you how easy it was to make a snowman, well, this is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is that I am using foam clay instead of air clay, and also I chose to do this one a little bit more of a whimsical style.
All the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride.
If you're wondering why am I showing you something that I already made, it is because in Christmas I am planning to make a big fig bake, and the style that I'm going for, which is the whimsical style, the first snowman that I made does not fall under that. It did not give me that vibe. So I chose to redo it again, which is why I'm not going to make the snowman. If you have not seen how I made the snowman, just go back to that video and how to make a snowman, and you'll see how easy it is to make one. I already have my snowman that I'm going to add to this macaroon set to the side, and I will be showing him to you shortly. So this is why I chose to just do the macaroon online. So I'm not online, I'm sorry. Make it on video so you could see for yourself. And that was it. I mean, that's pretty much it, why I chose to do this and why this video is going to be a very short video for you.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, so now that I have the macaroon done, let me show you the snowman. Here he is. Isn't he cute? He is holding his own little macaroon. I went ahead and added the gold paint around that. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the same thing to the bigger one. I did make a different macaroon, a pink one, that I did added the paint to it, and I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. And I'm thinking about stacking one on top of the other, and then placing the snowman on top of that one as well. And here's the pink one. Now I also did the same thing to the little ginger woman or girl, and here's the rest of the gang. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and until the next time, stay safe, be kind, bye.